Alright guys, so now I'm going to show you how to get the actual label, the barcode for your individual product, so that we have it on hand, whether you're going to be using it to design your own packaging, send it to your designer, or just have it on hand in case you need it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go back into Amazon Seller Central, go into Inventory and click on Manage FBA Inventory. Then you'll be presented with this page. Now all you're going to do is you're going to find which product you want the label for. You're going to mark this little checkbox next to it here. Click this drop down menu and click Print Item Labels. You go ahead and click Go, and you'll be presented with this page. So you can either choose which sort of label layout you want, depending on what sort of product you have. So this depends whether you're going to be printing the labels yourself or sending it to your supplier. So if you're going to be having your product sent to your house, and you want to apply the labels yourself, then that's what you download and you just basically print it out at home and stick it on. Or you could send it to your supplier, depending on what they may request as well. They may request a certain layout, or they just want the labels. So we're going to go ahead and click Print Item Labels, and we're just going to save that to our documents or wherever, and click on it, and I'll show you what that looks like. So this is what it looks like. This is our barcode for our specific sleeping bag liner in this case. Now this barcode needs to be on every single product. It's advisable that you have only one barcode on your item, so that you don't have any confusion at all. Make sure this is the only barcode that you have on your item, so Amazon can scan it and know exactly what it is they're looking at. The best method that I found for this is, instead of getting your barcode printed stuck onto your box with a separate label, is to actually get it printed on the box or incorporated into the box design. So every single box from the future has this label on it. However, if you are creating your first product and this is your first product and you don't have a custom box yet, or you haven't thought about getting custom box designed, then you just send it to your supplier and they print out labels and stick it onto the box for you. An alternative method is to actually just get your inventory sent to Amazon, and Amazon will apply these labels for you. They do charge you 20 cents per product, which doesn't sound like a lot. You might think, oh, 20 cents isn't that much. But for example, if you're shipping in 10,000 units, there's going to be $2,000 extra that you could be saving if you just get your stuff printed on the box. So that's essentially it. All you need to know with regards to your box labels, your FNSKU.